Meaning of laughing gas.
Laughing gas.
Laughing gas.
Laughing gas.
Laughing gas. The term laughing gas refers to nitrous oxide, a colorless and odorless gas that can induce feelings of euphoria and even laughter when inhaled. It was first discovered in 1772 by Joseph Priestley, who noted its ability to relieve pain. Today, it is commonly used as a mild anesthetic in dentistry, as well as for recreational purposes due to its pleasurable effects when inhaled. However, nitrous oxide can be dangerous when not used properly, as it can cause oxygen deprivation and other harmful side effects.